Hey everyone, this is a Crypto Sailors channel. Today I will show you how to configure the Avalanche RPC node and connect it to our main Axelar server. Once you have configured the main node, you need to configure 5 RPC servers with the different chains and connect them to your main node. As you can see that our main node, which we created before, has been configured, and all chains have already connected to it. It contains 5 icons with the different chains: Phantom, Avalanche, Moonbeam, Polygon and Ethereum. So let's configure the Avalanche RPC node. If your node is located in the inactive set, in this case you can check RPC network which connected to you inside the node profile. As you can see, all of the RPC nodes are configured and active. So let's back to the documentation page and perform the installation process according to the official guide. Using the official guide. The system requirements are 8 CPU cores, 16 GB of the memory and 100 GB of the disk space. But please note, the testing node of the Avalanche network consumes 105 GB of the free disk space. So, I would like to recommend rent the server with the 200 GB of the disk space. Let's open the SSH console and run the several commands which I have already prepared. Copy the first command to update the list of available packages in the server and upgrade the packages which have been installed in the system. Just copy the second command, waiting while the process has been completed. It's done. Paste the second, yes, and we need to create a separate user for properly work of our node. So back to the SSH console. Run the command to create avax user, set the password, retype it, all other steps we can missing, yes, and that's all. Then we need to create avax group and log as avax user in the system. Just getting avax user environment. Download Avalanche installer using a wget command. Okay, then set permissions for the script, running the script, waiting. This we need to choose the 2 option. Then we need to select no. After this we need to enter our public IP address of your node. Then we need to type any, confirm the password, enter the password. It looks like the installation process has been completed successful. Let's check the status. And as we can see, the synchronization process is in progress. That's good. And the system service is active and running. We can also use the journalctl command to check changing logs in the real time. Then we need to stop our service. Copy, paste, enter. And open the configuration file node.json using the following system path. So we need to add additional option to this file, comma, enter space, open the official guide and copy this value, network ID, quotes, paste, quotes, colon, and add the option Fuji. Yep, correct. Just check that all look fine. Yes, this is correct value, and save the file. After this, we need to run the service, checking that all look fine. We need to wait for a while to make sure that we are syncing the test network. To check that we're in the right place, we can use now trace service, and in the Fiji testnet you should see that blocks are syncing. It is approximately 8 million blocks, so you just need to wait once they have been synced. In the console we need to check the blocks numbers that syncing. So as you can see, we're on the right way and synchronization looks correct. 5,000 blocks synced out of 8 million, and you may see the estimated time when the process has been completed. Once it's done, open the guide, copy the following command to test the connection with the Avalanche RPC node, and if all look fine, you should get true output and identifier 1. After this, we need to open our main node and change the setting in the main configuration file to allow the connection of our Avalanche node. Go to overview section to check the file name that we need to open, and change options in this file in the Avalanche section to the RPC address field. We need to add the IP address of our Avalanche server and change false to true. So let's open SSH console. We need to enter nana dot set the path to the file axelar config conf taml. Once we open the file, go to the end. You should see the section which contains default setting for the RPC nodes. So we need to change the settings for the Avalanche server. Back to the official guide, open Avalanche section and copy this line. Paste it to the console, and before apply it we need to change it. Set the IP address, and then we need to set the port number. Just copy it here and paste in the command. Done. Yes. Copy line and paste it to the RPC header line in the Avalanche section. Paste and change the false value to true and save our changes. Back to our guide, open review sections, and we need to restart tfont service and Axelar D service on our main node. Enter the following command: systemctl restart tfont D, enter systemctl restart wall D service. Checking journal to make sure that all looks fine. As we can see, successful connected, so this is correct state. And this means that our Avalanche node has been connected successfully. Also, you may notice the other nodes have disabled status. That means that they are not connected to Axelar server. After this, we need to register our Avalanche node. Open the documentation, select overview section. We need to copy the following command and change it before apply. Just copy and paste in the console. Go to the beginning of the command and remove redundant options and leave only Avalanche Network. Just press enter and something wrong, and seems we need to remove the home value, and checking will look fine. So press enter the password, and as you can see, the command has been completed successful. This is a correct command which you need to run in the console to register the node. Then you need to open Axelar scan page, and you should see the icon with the Avalanche Network next to your node name or inside the node profile. You should see the name of the connected network in the chain supported section. As you can see, Avalanche Network is here. That's all. Stay tuned to our channel to view the next video about the configuration of the Ethereum RPC node.